Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to my page. In today's video, I will be teaching you businesses that you can go into. Yes, it's true that our economy is somehow. In as much as our economy is somehow, like economy in my country, you get as e be, do you get? So in as much as the economy is not smiling at anybody, people are still, as in, going into businesses. People are still succeeding into businesses. Yes, people are still, look, let me tell you, some people might be telling you that you want to go into business the way this economy is. Let me tell you, do not allow anybody eh, like to discourage you from going into that particular business. If you know that you have the capital to go into that business, my dear, go. But the only advice that I will give to you is that you make sure that the business is profitable and lucrative. Go into what people need. Do you get? So in this my very video, I will tell you businesses that you can venture into in this recent economy. So if this video is what you like to watch, please consider to watch to the end. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload a video. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So number one in my list is car accessories. I said car accessories. Yes, in as much as economy is very bad, some people did not have car last year, 2025. They bought car this year. I mean, last year, 2024. They bought car this year, 2025. People that have one, they buy another one, making it two. And people are still buying. Like, you can go into car accessories of any type. You know that car have branches, that is parts, or even those things that people are using to beautify or decorate their car. You can go into car accessory, any particular car accessory that you know that you can be able to venture into. You can go into that. People are buying car accessories every day. Yes, I use my husband as example. His car, he is buying things over and over and over for his particular car. And this is how other people's are buying. So this is to tell you that car accessory is very, very lucrative. I don't know if you are getting what I mean. So if you are thinking of the particular business that you will venture into, consider this particular car accessories and you will not regret it. As far as this that's your business is under the sun on this planet Earth, my dear, you must sell. The only thing you need to do is bring yourself out, advertise yourself, and you will start making sales. Okay, number two in my list is power bank. Let me ask you that is watching me, how is electricity dealing with you in your area? I mean, in this my country, how is electricity dealing with you? Nobody hope on electricity. You may decide to hope on it that next thing is off. So power bank is high in demand. One person can even have 2, 3 power bank all to him or herself. For you to understand what I mean, you may tell me that you have an inverter. Yes, you cannot carry your inverter around. Power bank is just simple thing that you can just carry around. That it helps your phone to be alive by helping you to charge it. You know the functions of power bank. So whether big or small, any amount that you have and you want to venture into this particular power bank, you can go into it. It doesn't necessarily means that you will have the money for you to start up this particular business. You can start by drop shipping. You know what I mean by drop shipping? Going into warehouse or people's shops, take pictures of those particular power banks they have there, come and open all these online social medias, begin to advertise those power banks there. If anybody have interest, they will order the power bank through the owner, and the owner will deliver and send you your commission. You will start by doing it this way until you gather up money to start your own. But if you have money already, you can straight go into this particular business and start cashing out. I advise you to import it if you can, because it is cheaper. No matter any amount you use to clear it when it arrives, it's still cheaper. So, but if you don't have money to start doing the importation, you start from all those big people that are importing it. You start from there, and I hope that it will favor you. Yes. So number 3 again in my list is baby item. Guys, this is not capping. This is like economy is not good. Economy is not good. And people are delivering children. People are bringing lives into the world every blessed day. Like, people are bringing twins, triplets, name them, singles, boys and girls. I mean, every day in this world we are. And we are still complaining that economy is not treating us well. So this is me telling you that baby item is a profitable and lucrative business you can consider going into. You know, baby items is many, like is plenty. So you can decide to choose the particular item that you decide to go into. You can decide to go into baby clothes, diaper, all these hair accessories for baby, and many other baby items, accessories that you may consider. Let me tell you, you see these particular baby items, people are shopping in and out of business owners that are dealing with this particular business. Yes, because they need it. Baby food, baby like what? So you can decide to go into baby food of any kind. Okay, let me tell you, how much mothers, how much do you used to buy naan back then? I remember when I had my first baby, I bought naan like I think 3,000 something. But now, do you know how much is now? Do you know how much is SMA gold? And very other baby food. And people are still buying it. So this is to tell you that whether economy or no economy, you are good to go. Start this business and thank me later. Okay, what number are we? I don't even know. But the next in my list is cosmetics. Yes. Look at me. At least I put face serum, my face moisturizer, and the rest of them. I put my lip gloss, I put every other thing. So as to many other people's outside, I did not manufacture this thing in my home at my any. I bought it. I bought them. So this is to tell you that people want to look good, people want to look beautiful, both men and female. You can see that some males are into this cosmetics of a thing. They like to beautify themselves. Yes. So you can go into this particular cosmetics business. You can buy all this facial cream, oil, serum, all those, you know it, lipstick, eye pencil, this one, that one. But if you cannot be able to like combine all the cosmetics as once because of the capital you have, you may decide to go into one or two particular cosmetics. Let people know you that you are selling this particular thing. And please, if you are going into this particular business, make sure that you are dealing with good and original products. Yes, because if I buy once and it's not good, I will not come back. So for you to have your retention, to retain your customers, you go for good and original product. But if you don't have money at all to start this business, you can still do drop shipping, as I said before. But if you now have enough money to start this business, you can still import, start your mini importation. If you don't know how to start up this mini importation, you can learn it here on Facebook, or you look for all those legal people that you trusted and learn it from them. You get? So cosmetic business is one of a kind. It's very, very profitable and lucrative business that you can venture into and you will not regret it. Next one in my list is health products. Yes, if you are a pharmacist, if you are a nurse, if you are a doctor, like if you are now under the umbrella of health, do you get? You can go into this business. Like there are a whole lot of supplements, both young and old, adults and children that are taken, because you know that we are not eating everything that we're supposed to eat. So the supplements is what is helping, to balance up. So people are buying supplements daily. That you are not buying the supplement today maybe because you do not have the money, not that you don't want to buy. Maybe you do not have the money. Some they don't have the knowledge about it. So supplement is very, very good. I'm not here to promote anything, but I'm here to tell you businesses that can succeed, that can as in succeed, yes, every economy. If in as much as the economy is very bad, people are still going into their health care. People are still taking their health, very good care of their health. So this health product is another business that you can go into if you want to like if you want to make money. Do you get? So it's not only a supplement that people are buying. There are other things under this health. You treat malaria, I treat malaria, this, that, like many, you go to the hospital, they will prescribe drugs for you, you will buy. That is what I'm trying to tell you. So you can go into this particular business and it is like health products. If any pharmacist around you will just tell you the truth, if he or she will tell you how profitable this particular health product is, you will be shocked. So but please, if you're not into any health organization or thereabout, please don't go into health issues to avoid headache. So the next business I have for you is kitchen utensils. Yes, kitchen utensils is another business that you can venture into if you have the money. But if you do not have the money, you can still do drop shipping. Many people are decorating their kitchen. They are changing their cookwares. You did not change your cookwares, maybe you do not have the money, because I know that if you have the money, you will love to change them. If you go to TikTok, you will see different kitchen kitchen maintenance people are doing there. Somebody like me, I would love to change all my kitchen utensils. But because I do not have the money now, even if I have the money in the future, that is the first thing I will change. So as to you, people are changing their pots, their spoons, everything for in their kitchen. So kitchen utensils is very, very recreating. Be it the thrifted one, be it the new one, people are buying. So the only advice I have for you is, if you have the money, you go into the importation aspect of it. But if you do not have, you start from the people around. You can go to all these big places that are selling it and buy and start from there. Business is small small, you start growing. Do you get? So all these things, it's it survives any economy. It survives any economy. So the next one in my list is shoes and bags. Yes, like me, like you, that is watching me. How many shoes do you have? How many bags? And in as much as you have those shoes and you have those bags, you still need to buy. You still want to buy other ones. So this is to tell you that shoes and bags are very, very lucrative, both male and female. So you can go into this particular business. If you go to your Instagram or your TikTok, you will see people that they don't even have shop. They are selling this from the comfort of their home. They may now decide to take one corner of their house and use it as their store, and they will be showcasing. This is why I tell you that try and bring yourself out. Use your Facebook, use your YouTube, yeah, use your Instagram, use your TikTok and market your product, and you will sell. Even if you don't have money to start up this shoes and bags business, you can still do drop shipping. I've explained it. You get? So this business, you will never lack, you will never regret ever going into this particular business. People need to look good, people need to look beautiful, and they will use money to buy those things that will make them to be beautiful. Do you get? So this is me telling you that it is very, very lucrative. So the another one, the final but not the least I have for you, is home decor. Yes, home decor, especially the interior one, or two of them, both interior and exterior. Anything concern home decor. Let me tell you, people that are into this home decor business, they are millionaires. Yes, because people are buying things to decorate their house. You that is watching me, did you decorate your house? If you did not decorate, not that you don't want, maybe you don't have the money yet. Yes, because I know that if you have the money, you will decorate your house. Some people are decorating their in and out of their house. So even the ones that are getting old, new ones are coming in. Do you get? So home decor is very, very creative business that you can decide to go into. If you watch this video to this very end, please like, share, comment, turn on your notification bell to get you notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. God bless you and bye. See you.